In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gmail with Slack. By the end, you'll have the official Slack for Gmail add-on ready to go, so you can share emails to channels and direct messages without leaving your inbox. Start by opening Slack in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're in the correct workspace that you want to connect. From the main Slack view, head to the admin area. If you're not seeing an admin option, you might not have the right permissions. In that case, ask a workspace owner or admin to follow these steps, or to grant you access. Inside the admin experience, go to Apps and Workflows. This is where you manage integrations, approvals, and automations for your workspace. Click Browse to open your workspace's app directory. You'll see featured apps and a search bar at the top. In the search field, type Gmail and let the results populate. Select the option to see all results so you get the full list rather than just the top few matches. From the results page, choose Slack for Gmail. This is the official integration that lets you move email content into Slack while preserving context, including subject lines and attachments. On the app page, begin on the Description tab to get an overview of what the add-on does and typical use cases, like escalating customer emails to a support channel or sharing a sales inquiry with your team quickly. Use the image carousel arrows to preview how it works in action. Click the right arrow to step through the screenshots and get a feel for what you'll see in Gmail and how messages appear in Slack once shared. This quick visual tour helps you confirm it matches your team's needs before you install. Next, review the permissions section. This is an important checkpoint that shows what the app can access in Slack and what it needs when connecting to Gmail. Confirm that the requested access makes sense for your environment. Then open Security and Compliance to read through data handling notes and any certifications. Within that area, look at Scopes to see the specific OAuth scopes the add-on requests. If there's an additional details panel or an arrow to expand more information, click it to make sure you've seen everything. Taking a minute here helps you stay aligned with your organization's security standards. Move on to pricing to confirm any costs or plan requirements. Many add-ons like this are available at no additional charge, but always rely on what's listed in the marketplace page you're viewing. Then check supported languages to confirm the interface will work well for your team. When you're comfortable with the details, click Add to Slack. This begins the connection flow and will route you to the Google Workspace Marketplace listing for Slack for Gmail. On that page, verify you're on the correct listing, then click Install. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to choose your Google account and grant the requested permissions. If your organization enforces admin approval for Marketplace apps, you might see a request for approval instead. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the install in your environment. Once installation finishes, the Slack for Gmail add-on will appear in the Gmail side panel. From there, you can open an email and use the add-on to choose a Slack channel or person, include a note, and send it over. Back in Slack, the shared email will show up with the context your teammates need, and you can keep the conversation going where your team collaborates. That's the full walkthrough. Browse to the app in Slack's directory, review the description, permissions, security and scopes, confirm pricing and language support, add it to Slack, and complete the install in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Pause the video at any point if you want to follow along step by step, and once you're done, you're ready to streamline email to Slack sharing for your team.